check out the whole place. So I'm going to show you how the Taal Vista is. This is how the hotel looks like from the entrance. So amazing. As you can see right here as well, it says, and this is the volcano that I was talking about, guys. The Taal Vista Hotel. Look at the view, guys. Look at it. And that's the volcano that was erupted. This is exciting. Welcome everyone to Stroll with Addy, and in this journey we'll be going from Australia to Philippines. Firstly we'll be heading from Melbourne to Manila, then we'll go to Tagaytay, Coron, El Nido, Puerto Princesa and Boracay. In today's video I'm gonna do a hotel review of Taal Vista Hotel and also the room tour. So let's check out the room and the hotel only with Stroll with Addy. Our room is 420. I'm just gonna quickly go inside and show you how the room looks like. So that's the door there. I've just opened it. You've got the card, you put the card in there, powers up your light. So let's close this off. And we've got a wardrobe here, so where you can hang your clothes. You've got the iron bed, you've got a safe as well, and where you can keep your belongings. That's the bathroom, so I'll show you in a moment. And the room is pretty spacious. So you can put your luggage right here. Just put it down, I'll put it here in a moment. And that's the work table, I guess. So if you have anything to do, I might do my editing right here in the evening if I get some time. So that's the TV right there. And this is your double bed. So it's pretty big and spacious as well, as you can see. So you've got your telephone here where you can ring your reception. And as the person said me just now, that if you need anything, you just press 0. And yeah, room's pretty big. And you've got the air conditioning as well, very important because it's very hot outside. Oh yes, you've got the mini bar too. So let's just open it up and quickly have a look. Oh well, the mini bar is empty. That's fine, we are not going to use it anyways. They've given us complimentary coffee, tea, and there's a kettle for hot water. But we'll probably go to the restaurant. But yeah, if you need it, it's right there. And there's 2 chairs here. There's a table, sit down, drink your coffee. It's pretty sunny outside and it's hot, but as you can see out there, there's a good view of the hills. Alright, so this is the bathroom plus toilet. So the toilet is here, so as you can see, nice and clean. And then we've got the dryer right here. You've got the mirrors right there. And you've got all the toiletries, so pretty much dental kit, sanitary bags, and shower caps, etc. And you've got towels for your shower and a nice spacious shower. So shower head, there's another one there, and you've got body wash and shampoo. Alright guys, so this is the room tour. Let me freshen up, let me get ready, and we'll do a tour of the hotel. See you in a bit. This is the way to the main lobby, function room, veranda, lake wing, view deck, and Taza fresh table. This place is absolutely big, guys. So as you can see, that's the residential area. So as in, like, that's the rooms, and these are rooms as well. Our room is one of those, and that's a swimming pool area. We'll explore that later. All right guys, for now we're gonna go to the reception area, and then I'm gonna start the exploration from there, check out the whole place. So I'm gonna show you how the Taal Vista is. All right, so we're entering the lobby areas, and looks like some sort of a function is happening over here, so probably a wedding. So they've got a screen here explaining about the whole place, and they've got a whole board over here pretty much explaining the whole history of the whole Tagaytay place. All right guys, so let's start with parking lot. That'd be the best area to start with. So that's the area where you're gonna come up to the hotel. So that's the main entrance right down there, and as you can see, all the cars are parked over here. So this is the parking lot. This is how the hotel looks like from the entrance. So amazing. It's actually a really beautiful hotel, the way that it's been set out. I guess it gives me a cottage feeling. They've got security here, so just gotta go through that quickly. And that's the entrance. They've got a reception area right here. We just checked in over here. They've got the concierge service this side. All right, so I just gotta go and find out my friends where they are, and then from there we'll take it over. They've got a bar over there, so I'm assuming it's a waiting area where you can get your coffee, relax. And I'm assuming this veranda here is the restaurant. So we'll go this side. So that's a lake wing area. So let's check it out what this side is. I'm assuming my friends have gone this side because I can't find them at all. But let's continue our exploration. So as you can see, it's a corridor right here. So it leads me to probably a lake area. So that's what it says. All right, so just found that my friends have just gone down to the lake view area. So I'm gonna take you there as well, guys. So let's go, let's carry on. As I walk through, as you can see right here, they've got all the photos from back in the days. As you can see, Taal Vista Lodge, Tagaytay city view showing. So all these old photos, which gives a classic history to the place. As you can see right here as well, it says President Quizon drove the first ball inaugurating the new Tagaytay golf course Sunday. President was General Emilio Aguilar, apologies if I pronounced it wrong, who suggested the development of Tagaytay 20 years ago. Well, great history right here, guys. Oh, they've got like massive information right here as well. So Tagaytay, major tourism destination, and this is the volcano that I was talking about, guys. So as you can see, it says photo of Taal Volcano eruption on January 12, 2020. All right, I'm just gonna go through right here. And I guess I've taken a longer route. This is a massive place where you can actually grab a coffee, drink and sit out, and that is what the Taza Fresh Table was. So viewing deck is still that side. Sky Ranch is this side. I'll show you guys later. But let's just go out and show you the beautiful view of Tagaytay. The Taal Vista Hotel. And look at the view, guys. Look at it. Amazing. And that's the volcano that was erupted. It looks like someone's wedding is happening at the moment, so congratulations to them. Alright, I found my friend where they are, so they're right down at the edge. So I'm just gonna go down as well. So look at this place, guys. It's amazing. Look at how beautiful this place is. Alright guys, so the vlogging video doesn't do a just for this place. It's amazing and I don't want to miss any of the shots, so I'm gonna switch from vlogging video to cinematic video. So enjoy guys, let's go. Morning everyone. So day 2, today is the last day we are going to stay at Tagaytay, Taal Vista Hotel. So I just wanted to show you the pool area. Basically yesterday pool area I missed it because we were late and the pool was closed. So I'm gonna quickly give you a tour of the pool area, and then after that we're gonna go and eat the breakfast. So as you can see behind me is the pool area. Was the room, guys, that where we stayed last night. So it was amazing. Had a good sleep after a really hectic travel. This morning is absolutely amazing. All right guys, so that was our swimming pool area. So now we're heading towards the main lobby again, same place where we went yesterday, towards the reception area. I'm not exactly sure where their breakfast buffet is, but my friends have already gone. I'm just gonna go there and then check it out. At the moment it is 7:30 a.m. so we have given ourselves 1 hour for the breakfast. So I'm just gonna go in, check in and then start the breakfast. Good morning, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Your number, sir?
420. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Alright, so this is what the restaurant looks like. As you can see here, they've got chocolate chips, maple syrup and all the syrups and sauces over here. This is exciting. Guys, Philippines enjoy their breakfast, like eat breakfast. So in Philippines, they love their breakfast. They like to eat heavy breakfast. So as you can see, steamed white rice, steamed brown rice, and under garlic fried rice, all for breakfast. Can't wait. I love big breakfast as well, so I'm happy with that. We've got banana here, roasted potato, fried, it's called fried grease, probably fish, vinegar, chicken. Wow, the chicken looks amazing. I feel like, guys, this is like a lunch that I'm gonna eat, not breakfast. Pork sausages. Wow. And this is another item for pork. It's called pork adobo. It looks like a pork curry, and wow, this looks so good. They've got soups over here. Soup, chicken soup, as you can see right there. And over there they've got the live area, so where they're gonna make the eggs. And you've got over here salad station. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go get a plate as well. So as I said, the breakfast is absolutely big. So that is more like a lunch for me. So I'm gonna eat a lot. So I've never tried rice right early in the morning at 7 a.m. So that is something that I'm gonna try. So let's go, let's eat our breakfast. This is the end of our Taal Vista hotel. So day one was yesterday. The day two has just started today. I would really recommend you guys to come over here and spend some time if you're in Tagaytay. The views are crazy beautiful. So now we are going towards our car. So that will take us to Manila airport. And then from there, we have our flight at 1 o'clock to Coron. Like, share and subscribe. Adios from Adi.